Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Koson token, K-O-S-O-N. This token is a part of the project Age of Zalmoxis. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, a lot of announcements in the past few days here from the Twitter of @Age of Zalmoxis. Age of Zalmoxis, Rise of the Fallen is the name of, I assume this is a game. And yes, it is. It says, discover the ancient legend of Zalmoxis, a AAA next-gen MMORPG built on the Unreal Engine 5 with the Elrond blockchain and NFT integration by Wenmoon Studios. So they are from Romania. They joined on Twitter October 2021. They have 16,600 Twitter followers. On their Twitter, you could find a full link tree to all of their links. But yeah, within the last couple days, they're talking a lot about their brand new listing here on Mexc Global. So how you can get this token, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. All you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search KOSON, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So, it says, their pinned tweet, we are honored to announce that our private funding round is now completed. Many thanks to those who believed in us. And it goes over a bunch of companies and partners that believed in them. So, they have a few different tweets recently, one from 13 hours ago about an exclusive event, sign up, deposit, and trade, 50,000 Koson, and there is an Mexc Global contest here, an exclusive event that you can get involved in. 50,000 Koson are up for grabs. Then a tweet from 18 hours ago. It says, commit your MX or USDT to get Koson at basically 10 cents it looks like. And then it has the Mexc.com launchpad link on there that you could find as well. So then also they did an AMA, an Ask Me Anything. It says check out the full recap of the AMA if you missed it. We did with Age of Zalmoxis, and that is Mexc Global tweeting that, and then Age of Zalmoxis retweeting that. So they did an AMA together basically. So that's really cool. So if you go to their link tree, you can find a white paper, you can find an official web page, their marketplace for NFTs, Medium, LinkedIn address, Reddit, Telegram, and yeah, TikTok even, YouTube videos, Instagram, Discord, Facebook, Twitter, so many links on their link tree there. So, what is this anyways? A third-person MMORPG with blockchain and NFT integration in a fantasy version of the Dacian Kingdom grounded in history where threats from the realms converge. With our vision under the advisory of Professor Dr. Alexandru Berzovin, a doctor in the ancient history and archaeology, scientific researcher at the Institute of Archaeology in Romania, and a talented team of industry veterans who have worked for Blizzard Entertainment, EA, Google, Sony, Ubisoft, Warner Bros., etc., to name a few, we trust that our project will be one of a kind. Age of Zalmoxis is an ancient fantasy open world grounded in history. The game focuses on Eastern European kingdom of Dacia. It begins shortly after their ruler, first King Barry, I'm butchering all these names, whatever his name is assassinated. As the kingdom shatters into tribes, Dacian nobles compete for leadership. Celtic, Roman, and Sarmatian armies prepare to invade, and supernatural threats appear. The great wolf Zalmoxis sees this and sends heroic souls down to the realm of Earth. And that's why the symbol for this game here is a wolf, because that is the great wolf Zalmoxis. Players take the role of the proud Dacian champion, whose body merges with heroic soul. They will fight otherworldly monsters and mortal foes who seek to further fragment of the Dacian kingdom. And then they have gameplay on here. So there's heroic souls, there's action combat, there is dynamic content models, adventurous instances, territories, player cities, tournaments, marketplace, and a deep crafting system. So you can go over each one of those things. They have different links for each one. We're not going to do that now. We're just going to talk about the token. So total supply of this token, it's a very weird number here. 267,429,979 tokens. Right now they have 3,135 holders, 13,168 transactions so far. They have a burning mechanism. It is used for play to earn, allocation and unlockable schedule, staking and rewards, meta bonding, ecosystem fund, When Moon Studios, public sale, private sale, seed. And then they have a team section. They also have a roadmap on here. Basically, it goes concept and idea, When Moon Studios Incorporated and development started, Koson seed phase 1, Origin Souls pre-sale begins, seed phase 2, web version marketplace, NFT staking, summoning feature, land chest sale, and combat milestone #1 basics MVP. So those are all completed. Now they're going to have the private sale, staking, and public sale, followed by combat milestone #2, land chest opening, in-game marketplace, add-on for land and items, horse breeding, character customization, combat milestone #3, PvP tournaments begin, ancient minigames, chain alpha, When Moon launcher app, community alpha game release, and then more to be announced. They got their community links. You can find their white paper at whitepaper.ageofzalmoxis.com. Pretty straightforward. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where you can get this token. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.